Active, passive, it's a little something for everybody. But actually there's something to this, right? This is gaining traction everywhere.
Right. Yeah. I mean, just to take one step back, I wanted to focus on Joel Greenblatt because he occupies a really interesting perch in the value investing world. He teaches at Columbia Business School, which is the program where Ben Graham once taught value investing to Warren Buffett. And Greenblatt has a very admirable track record. He made a lot of money as a value investor running his own fund back in the 80s and 90s. So I thought it would be interesting to look at what he's doing these days because he really approached this somewhat intellectually and tried to look at why investors were struggling to stay with a good manager. And what he discovered is that people chase returns. They get out at the wrong times and they chase overperformance. And the net result is that they're not getting the benefit of a good manager even when they find one.
So what is he trying to achieve here? What does a hybrid fund look like?
Yeah, so a portion of the money in Greenblatt's latest fund just tracks the S&P 500 index. And then what he's doing with the remainder of the funds is he's going long the stocks that he likes on a fundamental basis, and he's going short the ones that he thinks are overvalued, and then they net out the positions. And one of the benefits of being able to do this is because of the fund structure, he's able to actually charge a little bit less than he would for a full active strategy.
Tell us a little bit more about Greenblatt, and will other people copy this strategy now that he's doing it?
Yeah, I think that's a great question. Like I said, he's got this history. He's a name in the value investing world. I think it's possible that people copy it, but as an analyst I spoke with at Morningstar pointed out to me, is there's nothing stopping anyone from doing this on their own in their own portfolio. They could achieve a similar outcome just by buying a passive fund for a portion of their portfolio and then picking an active manager that they like with the remainder of the funds.